Hello, everyone. I'm Chinh, Pham, the president of the Boston Bar Association. I would like to start by extending a big thank you to the Equal Justice Coalition for your effective advocacy and for putting together another successful virtual Talk to the Hill. The BBA is proud to stand alongside the NBA and AMLAC as one of the original members of the coalition and to support access to justice. Now, I'm sure you can all agree with me that the Massachusetts legal community is special. And from the outpouring of support and turnout that Talk to the Hill sees each year from lawyers, law students, advocates, and legal professionals across the state, it is clear that there's a deep commitment in our community and care for those who are vulnerable in the justice system. I would say that there are few other professions that can demonstrate such a broad commitment to volunteering services for others. And for many lawyers, we consider pro bono work to not only be important, but essential to our work as attorneys. At the BBA, our volunteers carry out thousands of hours of pro bono work each year in housing, immigration, and youth advocacy cases, among many others. And this work would not be possible without our AMLAC-funded partner organizations, which are the backbone of civil legal aid in the Commonwealth. Now, we show up each year to Talk to the Hill because we know that funding for civil legal aid is funding that addresses critical issues in our community. And civil legal aid makes a significant difference in many people's lives, including some of the most vulnerable citizens of the Commonwealth. Many of us can agree that access to healthcare is one of those critical issues that was further highlighted by the pandemic. The BBA in particular has been especially focused on mental health and well-being among attorneys, and we know that under these tumultuous times, access to care is even more critical for vulnerable people. Civil legal aid funding also continues to be necessary when it comes to protecting individuals' access to services and rights under the law. As many of you have seen, the right to seek asylum has been under threat, and civil legal aid attorneys are stepping up to provide essential guidance to immigrants and asylum seekers. Pro bono attorneys likewise are helping clients navigate a complex immigration system where the odds have been stacked and the outcomes truly life-changing. My family, as some of you may know, immigrated to this country from Vietnam in 1975, and I know firsthand the challenges that immigrants can face, including a language barrier. Yeah, I'm proud to say that the BBA is part of the coalition of organizations pushing for equitable language access in state government, which ensures that diverse individuals can participate and help in making for a better democracy. And I'm proud to lead an organization of volunteers committed to diversity, equity, and service through civil legal aid. So please join me today in thanking our legislators for their past support, as well as asking them for their continued financial support. It really is vital to our most vulnerable citizens. And by showing up each year, the Equal Justice Coalition reminds legislators of the critical work attorneys can do with this funding to make positive change in the lives of our clients and in the Commonwealth at large. Whether it's your first time talking to the Hill or whether you've been attending this event since it began over 2 decades ago, thank you for joining us and leading the way toward access to justice for all.